Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to speech on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and for your information guys, InShot has just added text to speech feature. So this is a new update on InShot. If you want to get this feature, make sure you have updated your InShot. You can go to your Play Store if you are an Android user, and you can go to the Apple Store if you are iOS user. And I have just updated my InShot, and I have got the text to speech feature. And here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use the text to speech feature on InShot. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot and select new project. And then I'm just going to add blank clip to my project. And wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas. Okay, and there are two ways to add text to speech to our project. The first one, you can go to the text and then select the AI speech, and here you can enter or paste the text you would like to convert to speech. You can add it right here, but you can also add the text first and turn it to the text to speech. I'm just going to go to the text, and then I'm just going to type in hello guys, oops, how are you? Okay, and I'm going to turn this text into a speech. If you want to do that, we just need to go to the add speech. Okay, and you can choose the type of the voice you want to apply to your text. I'm just going to use the free one.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Okay, I'm gonna try this charming male, or
Hi, this is my voice tone.
okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys.
Hi, this is my voice
And
tone.
you just need to click on start. Okay, and now the speech is being generated, and now it's done guys. And I'm going to show you.
Hello guys, how are you?
Okay, this is for the speech we have just generated. Okay, and once you're done, you will be able to delete the tags if you want.
Hello guys, how are you?
Even though you deleted the tags, the speech will be still there. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text to speech on InShot. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.